So one day we were developing a project together, but I got tired. So my teammate said we would continue next week. He also mentioned that one day before the week, we would meet to review progress. So while waiting, I discovered two ideas, and I wanted to test them, to try them independently. I realized that trying them in the main project folder would be risky. Then I remembered he told me I would use git init hyphen bear, git init bear, for a safe central repository. So I decided to do a solo development, to act two developers at one time. So I kept the main project safe and cloned two working copies for my experiment to see which one will win or which one will be the best. So this way I could test both ideas without breaking anything. So I knew that when I pushed the changes, my teammate would see everything clearly. So welcome to this tutorial so that you can learn deep how to use git init bear. So if you are having a scenario of, where you are developing a project alone and you reach a decision point and have two or more ideas you want to experiment with independently, then you want to keep your main project safe while testing the alternatives. So the solution here is use git init bear to create a safe central repository and clone multiple working copies. So let's create a bear repo. For me here, desktop. Then you come to developer tools here, my folder, and here I will create a new folder for this project. I will call it projects. Okay, I will open it and copy the path, and then I will open a command cmd and try to change this directory into the project folder. Okay, after that, so in your projects folder, let's create a central bear repo. I will call it central bear1.git. Okay, and also initialize it as empty git repository. So the next thing, let's clone git, clone this the folder develop central bear1.git folder into developer A. So git clone central bear1.git into developer to developer 1. Okay, again for developer 2. Okay, let's create a dive into developer 1, and there create a folder, a file. So echo hello save it into file a.text file1 .text, and then we will add it this folder. So git add file1 .text, and then commit it. Commit -m dev1 as a file, and then push git push, and then push it. So successful. So next we need to use dev2 that we created. So cd dev2, yes, and then pull. Let's pull the git pull. After pull, then we create a folder, a file, hello from developer2, from developer2. This will be saved into file from developer2. This will be saved into file.text as we find as file.text. Then we add file this is file2. We have saved it to file. Let's keep on the same file. Keep add file dot text. I wanted to name it to file2, but let's keep on using the file for developer2. So we add that, commit, then we commit so dev2 developer2 adds a file, then push. So git push now it works. So the takeaway from this git init bear is that if you don't use the git init bear, then there is a risk for other repository and it will fail to push for the second time. So the bear repo only git history, no working directory. So it is safe for collaboration, and it always pull before editing to keep this to keep updated. So the key takeaways here is that bear repo is your safe master history, even for solo work. It's a multiple working copies. So for multiple working copies, it allows you to experiment free without risk, and practicing push, pull, and merge. You prepare for a real team workflows, but also it's a great strategy for testing alternatives and maintaining backups simultaneously in a safe way. So thank you. We will see the next part or the next option of the Git later.